This photo has been published in every venue of world mass media as supposed proof that separatists steal personal belongings from the plane crash site, then took them as souvenirs, supposedly descending to a level of taking even a teddy bear. This photo appeared everywhere on TV channels everywhere. Now I will show the context. A separatist, a so-called terrorist, shows the teddy bear to the people around him, saying, "Look whom they have killed." He then crosses himself. They may be separatists, terrorists, murderers, and utopians, but the shame is not to be laid on them, but on the world's mass media for wrongfully exploiting this very photo.